Hi guys, thanks for dropping by. Today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the JBL Charge 5 along with the sound test, so stick around. Now I know the Charge 5 has been out for a while now, but I thought I'd get it to do a review, and then I've got it for when the Charge 6 comes out, ready to do a comparison video, so watch out for that one. And once again, as usual, a really nice quality box from JBL as we now come to expect as standard. Now this cost around £130 from Amazon UK on the Black Friday deals, and it was the same price on the JBL website at that time, and it's still that price at the time of making this video. At the moment it's around $160 on the US Amazon site, also at the time of making this video. I'll be going over this spec on the box and more again in a minute guys, so do stay tuned, but just pause this if you want to read it. So let's get this out of the box now and check it out. Like I say, really nice quality box this. A bit of branded packaging. Okay, let's see what we've got, although we pretty much know already I think. There's our usual USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Length is the same as always, which is a decent 48 inches tip to tip, which is great. As you might know, there's nothing I dislike more than a short charging cable. There's our quick start guide, product registration and warranty booklets. Now just a very quick run through this guys, as I know it's kind of boring but I've just got to do it. There's the full spec if you want to pause it and have a look, although I'll be going over some of this as I go. Not much in the box other than what we really need, of course. No more plugs or charging bricks come with these. We all have loads of them and it's better for the environment. Bluetooth pairing uses version 5.1. The buttons that we'll see properly again in a moment. Party boosters already mentioned for connecting to other compatible speakers to have more than one speaker going at the same time. That's great. And as you can see, there's an app that you can download from Google Play or the App Store that allows you to tweak the speaker settings to your personal preferences, which I can honestly say really does make all the difference to these speakers, so do download this app. It also allows you to update the speaker software, so that's pretty important going forward. Now this has the equivalent of a 7,500 milliamp battery that takes 4 hours to charge from empty to full and will give you a whopping 20 hours of music playtime depending on what volume you have the music at, of course, but that's pretty damn good I reckon. As already mentioned, the Charge 5 also acts as a power bank for charging your devices, which is a very handy little extra. Again, I'll be testing that waterproof and dustproof IP67 later on, so keep an eye out for that video. And as always guys, do be careful if you get this or any other speaker wet. Always be 100% certain that it's completely dry around the charging port before you plug it in to charge it, so you don't get an electric shock. First time picking this up, it feels really solid with a really nice quality finish. It's about twice the size and weight of the Flip 6 that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago. This weighs in at just under 1 kilogram, which is just over 2 pounds. It has these hard but soft touch high grip rubber strips on the base to keep it steady when it's pumping out the sounds, which are going to be put to the test very soon, of course. Hard, soft touch, durable rubber ends around the passive radiators, which are really solid. The woven polyester mesh-like fabric that covers the entire speaker is also very durable and tough. The passive radiators at each end have that exclamation mark design that we'll see pumping in a while during the sound test. All really nice quality this that seems durable and hopefully long lasting as expected from JBL, of course. There's our battery level indicator. Yeah, I really like this guys, it's really nice, real nice quality, nice feel to it, nice weight. There's the charging ports. Now the USB-A is the only port that can be used to charge your phone or other device, and the speaker needs to be on to start the charging of your device, but it can be turned off once it shows that charging has started. And the USB-C port is for charging the actual speaker, of course, and does not work as an external charging port to charge other devices. Just letting all you USB-C lovers out there know, just in case you were wondering. And that charging port cover fits like a glove, which we'll be testing later on in our water test. There's our buttons. Let's get around the right way. Now I'm sure you all know these, but I'm going over them anyway. Party boost for connecting to other speakers. Volume down. Power on and off. Bluetooth for connecting to your music source device. Volume up and play. Well, I think it's time to get this powered up, and I'll be going over the audio spec as I connect it, so stay tuned guys. Now let's see how much battery power they've given us. They usually give us quite a bit. Well, it looks like a fully charged battery straight out of the box, so that's great. Now, like all JBL speakers, this features original JBL Pro sound, but in all honesty guys, that really is just a marketing buzz phrase, which really doesn't mean that much at all. What does mean something is that the Charge 5 has a 2-speaker system consisting of a woofer and a tweeter, with the woofer having 30 watts and the tweeter with 10 watts, making 40 watts of total output power. And we also have those dual pumping JBL bass radiators at the ends as well. So yes, I am expecting this to be pretty loud and powerful, to be honest, so let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is really quite loud and only on 60%, and don't forget you'll be able to make it sound even better to your preferences with the app, so don't forget to download that. Also, the thing to remember with these speakers as well is that the bigger they get, the better acoustic sound they have, because they're relatively hollow inside and therefore create a better sound box, just like a big acoustic guitar where the sound comes from the hollow body. I know this because I play the guitar. Anyway, a quick change of song now, a bit heavier blues music before dropping back to some nice acoustic jazz. Stay tuned guys. Wow, I've got to say, this is rocking guys. The table is moving quite a bit and that rubber bass is holding the speaker very steady. No movement at all from the speaker other than vibrating. Don't forget to download the app to make it sound even better. 100% now on some really nice acoustic Latin jazz. Stay tuned.